in tight, eh? Lovely. Don't worry, baby, about a thing. That's all the pin kerbs out. But if I know, because I've taken the edge ones away, you get sort of a tight one coming from underneath. But I'm not too fussed about that because it's going to be getting redone. Yeah, so then we need to get it back for, we'll get this sorted out of here, get it filled. I've got to try and get that half out of there. It's not just going to lift out. Right, got that half out of there. Started backfilling it with some hardcore, which we collected off a previous job, quite fortunately. Right, I've just pinned a line there, the edges in blues, and I just took it across, wrapped it around my level and clamped it to the fence. So yeah, so that gives me something to run the blues to now. Cool. Got them in. Oh, I need to go off now. Just filled a bit of the soil there just to make it tidy up. So what I need to do is get this back filled. So it was better than sharp sand and cement. And the bit I had left I just put at the front and put at the back. Yeah, we need to get this levelled out now. Get it prepped ready for the porcelains. So you'll have seen me, I was using a bit of timber there, just to make sure they were lined up, because they're not all perfectly moulded, these things. So you can only do what you can do. Yeah, I think we're alright there. That'll do me. Man. Looks alright for my house. Right, catch you in a bit. So this is what I was doing. So I squared this off yesterday. It was going up there and across there. But I've ordered some more of these porcelain tiles, and that's what's supposed to have been coming with some ballast and some sand. But wanted some guttering putting on here, so I just had to fix this on. Just got the owner to stain it, and it's got a guttering on and a fall pipe to go around the corner. This is summer house we did. So I did all the base, I did all this. I think you've seen it in one of my other videos. Yeah, a bit disappointed really, like my stuff's not coming till this afternoon now. It was supposed to be this morning. So what do? Can't just hang around, can you? Done. It's a nice paintable liquid. And paint it on. Alright, got so many down. It's taking up more sharp sand and cement than I thought. It's a relatively dry mix, you can see there. You can basically stand in it and leave your footprint. So it's cutting around that close pole. There's not a lot you can do with that. Yeah, it's amazing how some of these are a slightly different size, isn't it, Phil?
Yeah.
One fits, another one doesn't. But I suppose that's what you get with modern day production. So yeah, I need to get some more sand as well, because I've ran a bit shy. But, not doing too bad. I don't think we'll need as much as what I just said. That's going to do that, isn't it? There's only these three. Yeah, and we've got this guttering on as well. I had to seek advice. I had to ask one of our mates what to do it. Not with the guttering. You can see the guttering there. But I was trying to work out how to fix this in place because I couldn't get a full bracket all the way around. And he says, why don't you just cut the back edge off? And lo and behold, that's what I've done. And that's it, and that's it. And that's just to take the water off the shed. And it's just running out into the back there. No great shakes, and there's another one at that side as well. There it is, complete. Oh, yeah, see a slight difference between the year-old pavers and them ones, but they are exactly the same. So I'm going to get a bit of kiln dried in between any of the slight gaps. But yeah, it's looking good. So we've got the pavers down, guttering and fall pipe on both sides. And the fall pipe disappears behind there. Yeah. So it's out of sight, so it's not making the place look awful. Nice tidy job. And even the plants survived. That's always a good thing. Right, it's the end of another video. So if you like it, give us a like. If you don't, give it a dislike. Leave a comment, share, subscribe. Look me up. See what we can do for you. Au revoir.